In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from GoDaddy to Namecheap. We're going to walk through the full process in a simple and clear way, from preparing the domain inside your GoDaddy account to submitting the transfer through Namecheap and confirming the final approval email. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to move carefully so everything goes through smoothly without delays. To begin, go to your GoDaddy domain portfolio and select the domain you want to transfer. Once you're inside the domain settings, look for the domain lock option and turn it off. This step matters because a locked domain cannot be transferred to another registrar. If the setting takes a few moments to update, that's completely normal. So just give it a second and make sure the lock is fully disabled before moving on. After that, find the option to request the authorization code, which is sometimes called the auth code or EPP code. Click Request Auth Code and wait for the code to be generated. Once it appears, copy it carefully. This code works like a secure transfer key, so you'll need to paste it exactly as shown. It's a good idea to keep that code handy for the next step so you don't have to come back and request it again. Next, go to Namecheap's domain transfer page and enter your domain name in the transfer field. Namecheap will check whether the domain is eligible for transfer and then prompt you to continue. When asked, paste in the auth code you copied from GoDaddy. Be careful not to add extra spaces before or after the code, since that can sometimes cause validation errors. Once the code is accepted, continue through checkout and complete the transfer purchase. As part of this process, make sure you review the transfer details carefully so you know exactly which domain is being moved. After checkout is complete, the transfer request will be submitted. The final part is very important. GoDaddy will send a confirmation email asking you to authorize the transfer. Open that email and approve the request as soon as possible. If you miss this step, the transfer may be delayed or may not proceed at all. After you authorize it, the transfer will continue through the normal processing period. And that's it. You've unlocked the domain, requested the authorization code, submitted the transfer through Namecheap, and approved the confirmation email from GoDaddy. If you follow each part carefully, the transfer should move forward smoothly.